After spending valuable time investigating your data, it's not enough to have the answers. You need to be able to effectively communicate your insights for people of all levels within the organization to transform them into action. Alteryx empowers you with the flexible options of writing back to your database, creating standard reports and interactive dashboards to wow your executives without spending hours on menial tasks. Create pixel-perfect reports with customized charts, tables, text, and graphics. Dynamic batch reporting automatically creates multiple reports from your analysis that you can distribute in your favorite format, including email, PDF, PowerPoint, Excel, and more. When you want to bring your entire analysis to life, you can share interactive visuals. Our built-in, powerful Visualytics puts anyone in the driver's seat to drill down and focus on what's important to them through visual dashboards. Or output the right data in the right format to popular visualization vendors like Tableau, Power BI, and Click to fuel every insight. Our repeatable workflows allow you to schedule your reports or visuals to run on a normal cadence or refresh on demand. Put that weekly status report on cruise control so you can spend more time on strategic solutions while still delivering the necessary routine information. Only Alteryx lets you effectively communicate every insight you worked so hard to curate in all the formats you need from the same workflow. Alteryx, the thrill of solving.